So this is 2.9, number 11, the example. So this is the absolute value of less than 18. The absolute value of 2 minus 8x is less than 18. So when you have the less than, what you have to do is you have to rewrite it as negative 18 is less than 2 minus 8x less than 18. Because remember, the absolute value an expression is always positive, but the expression itself can either be positive or negative if we were to have the original. And so when we solve it, if it's a less than, this is the way that you have to solve it. You have to make sure that you write it this way with a positive and a negative, and then go ahead and solve that particular problem. And so at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2 from the left, the middle, and the right. So this is going to be negative 20 is less than negative 8x less than 16. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything by negative 8 so I can isolate my variable. And when I do that, remember that my symbols have to change directions. So this is going to be negative 2, and then this is going to be 20 over 8. And I can go ahead and reduce this to 5 over 2. So what I'm going to have is that 5 over 2 is greater than x greater than negative 2. I'm going to go ahead and just do the mirror image of this, if you will. So it's going to be negative 2 is less than x less than 5 over 2. It'll be a little easier to write it in interval notation. So here's my solution. What would be my solution set for this particular thing? It would be negative 2, and then 5 over 2 would be my, I just looked at the question and just wanted in the solution set. So negative 2 and then 5 over 2. Thank you.